Doing some type of physical activity every day will definitely pay dividends in the long run. Today, however, I happen to be very tired. I've been working in the yard the past couple of days, and I had a huge project. I had to take out all these Mexican petunias. They were up to here, and you got to pull these things out by the roots. It was a lot of work, and I had to get them in garbage pails, these huge buckets that I have. And so I'm exhausted today. I played a little bit of tennis this morning, but I still want to do something. So this is about all I have energy for. I'm just going to do 2 simple exercises for the shoulders. Shoulder press and pullovers. I'm going to show you those both. I'm going to do 2 sets and probably anywhere from 12 to 20 reps. With the press, it's going to be more like 12 because I am wiped out today. The pullovers, I think I can get 20. I'm going to try and do 2 sets, and we'll see what happens. So, consistency is key. That's what pays the dividends. You're putting a little money in the bank, but you're doing it for your body. You want to stay functional. You want to have some longevity. I'm 76 and I want to keep going. I want to keep playing tennis, teaching tennis, and so that's how I support my family. I've been doing it for close to 50 years. But I don't think, honestly, I don't think I would be doing it at the level I'm doing it if I hadn't gone whole food, plant-based. The first 4.5 years I did completely raw, vegan. And after that I started adding in some starches at night and, rice and beans, potatoes, sweet potatoes, things like that. Always a lot of greens, a lot of cucumbers, tomatoes. And I make my own dressings because I've learned that one of the keys to being whole food plant-based is keep it low fat. That is it's the absolute key. What we see from a lot of people worldwide, all over, not just in one country, all over, people eat way too much fat. And fat will give you diabetes, it'll give you heart disease, it'll give you cancer. It creates acid in the body. So anyway, I'll show you the 2 exercises. Please give me a like, and remember, this channel is about longevity and staying functional. So when I exercise, I'm doing either stretching, a little bit of cardio, and resistance training. So those 3 things, and I'll show you workouts. It's all about health advice, things that you need to do to keep the longevity and keep the functionality going. You've got to get sunshine. You've got to get proper sleep, rest. When you're tired, I'm bad at this. This is the hardest one for me. I'm super tired, but I want to do something because it drives me crazy if I don't do anything. I played a little tennis, but it wasn't much. And I really need to stay stronger. So I'll show you the exercises. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. This is the place to go to for health advice. All the best. Take care.